Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear recently played section on Souncloud. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to do this. However, you can clear your entire listening history, which will also remove the recently played list. Now here's how to clear your listening history on Souncloud. First, open the Souncloud app or website. Click on listening history after going to your library section. Clear your history. Click on see all in your listening history. Look for the three dots or settings icon at the top right corner. Click on clear listening history. Confirm that you want to clear your history, and that's it. This will remove all tracks from your listening history, including those displayed in the recently played section. Please note that clearing your listening history is a permanent action. Clearing your history is a permanent action, and so it cannot be undone. So be careful before you do this. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.